the air squat or the bodyweight squat. So the feet is shoulder width apart. The hip and your rib cage is nice and balanced. We're not excessively tilted, as you've seen in the standard neutral position. The neck is slightly pulled back, nice and tall. Shoulder is pulled back. And we're initiating the movement by slightly bending the knee, bending at the hip. And we're going into a full squat where the hip is reaching our knees or a little bit below the level of our knees. So at the bottom of the movement, we want to make sure that our feet is nice and well balanced. We don't want to see our body excessively reaching forward or with our butts excessively reaching back, more like a deadlift. So the knees are bending, the hips bending. A very slow approach, slow on the way down, a little pause at the bottom, and even on the way up, you want to feel good control as you're coming up. Take a breath at the top of the movement. Keep your eyes reaching forward, looking forward. And that is the air squat.